Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog, man. It's K510 Automotive Group, man. And today, man, we about to be dropping off the Benz. About to get some work done. It's much needed work done. I know you can see it in the back. See my headliner just hanging down. Yeah, thing is all like easy. So like, yes, no good. He also is gonna be replacing all this. Got like some stains up here. Sorry, this thing's so zoomed in. Some stains up here. Just gonna see if we get this straighten all this out for me. The main thing is that, you know, I don't want it hanging. See, all this shit is loose. See, in the front it's hanging. So, Dave's headliner. I took my BMW E36 to him. He did a great job on that car. I still really haven't drove my BMW like that since I got it back. But yeah, man, we're just trying to upgrade it, man. Gotta get the AC fixed for the summertime. So that's all we're trying to do, man. Just trying to get it right for the summer. And after summer, I'm gonna take it to the body shop. I just want to get the interior. Probably not replace. I'll probably just get it touched up. See if they can, like, I don't know. Just trying to get the car presentable, man. Right now, I got it from my uncle and it needed so much work mechanically, and now I gotta do cosmetically, like paint and interior. So, yeah, man, we're gonna keep climbing the ladder, keep trying to get the car all the way right, man. You know. So stay tuned, man. We about to go drop it off, and then I'll show you guys how it look, the end results when we pick it up, man. Show y'all how everything turned out. So stay tuned. Hey, what's up, guys, man? We just picked the car up from the upholstery shop. The guy killed it, man. I'm just kind of embarrassed to show y'all how dirty the original panels are. But I'll show y'all how it look now. So the headliner is new right now. Like nothing is hanging anymore. Everything is crisp. And the material that he used did a good job. Sorry, I'm probably zoomed in too much. Yeah, the material he uses it's definitely a good material. But it's just some things I gotta go back and wipe down, and like some of the panels need to be cleaned. And I didn't do the sunroof, cause this sunroof panel is still good, but like I gotta go back and like deep clean the roof, cause you can have this fresh material and then look up and see stains there, and then here stained up too. You know, but overall, I'm happy with the product, man. I'm happy with the results. I just been trying to restore this car back. I don't know if you guys remember when I first got it. It needed so much work, much to this car, man. Like these panels, I had to replace these. The seat, had to get new seats, all that stuff done. I had to take off all these little chrome trims. I still gotta take this panel, this chrome trim off too. So it's still more. We got a whole lot more work to do, man. It's just, this is one of them cars I'm probably never gonna sell. Like I said, it was a childhood dream car, and the craziest part is the same exact car my uncle had that I fell in love with when he pulled up to my grandparents' house in my hood in Hyattsville, Maryland. Man, he used to come through every summer, cause we used to travel. I normally, we lived in Missouri City, Texas, so we'll come up to Maryland for like the summer, and be with my grandparents at their house until we moved here permanently. But every summer we used to come here. He'll like come by to come see us, cause we in town. he would have a different Benz, and this Benz in particular, I just loved it. And even though he had way cooler Benzes than this, but this one was just like that one, you know, that I was like, damn, it's a hard top. It was like a muscle car. I think because he took me in the drive, he took me on a ride along, and he had the tires spinning. I think that's what sold me. Because the other cars, he'll just pull up to the house, you know, stop the ice cream truck, buy everybody in the whole crib ice cream, but we ain't really like riding around with him. But this car, he actually took me in. And shout out to my uncle, man, Uncle Opton. You know, I talk to you a lot, so you already know, man. You already know how I feel about you and how I feel about your car collection and all that, man. He had sold it to his older brother, my Uncle Neville. So, yeah, I just bought it back from his older brother. And that's a journey, man. That's a journey with this car, man. I've been trying to just restore it just for that nostalgia feeling. You know, this believing that you put in the work, you get the results. I'm not financially where I want to be at, you know what I mean? And I'm way better than I was where I started. So, you know, it's still that climbing that hill, you know. But just to appreciate the little things you can afford. You know, I really very sentimental when it comes to stuff like that, man. Because, you know, man, life ain't perfect for everybody, and everybody ain't got it like that. So, you know, even your parents struggle to raise you, or if they had money, they just ain't had the time to spend with you. Like, it's like a double-edged sword. You ain't gonna have everything at one time. And then if you do, it's a blessing. And don't fumble it, man. Don't take advantage of them opportunities and those feelings, those memories. But just like everybody else who grew up, I mean, majority of people like me, you know, my background, my race, my whatever you want to call it, it's a lot of struggle, man. And you can make it through it. You know, make it through the struggle. It's definitely light at the end of the tunnel. But the struggle is tough too. So y'all get what I'm saying, man. I don't gotta go into that spill, but yeah, man, I just want to give y'all an update, man. I got the car back. I've been loving the new roof. I've been loving the materials and the headliner in Mount Rainier, man. I don't know if he want me to put his contact information out because I know he works from his residence and he does mobile pull-ups too. But yeah, man, he probably the best to do it right now, bro. And his price is not crazy, but not even the price, is the quality of work. You know what I mean? Like the quality over quantity has always been my thing, bro. If I gotta grind 2 more hours or 3 more days to get something that's quality rather than just getting an instant gratification of something cheap, I'd rather put in the work and wait. You know what I mean? So I could go pay $1,500 to get the same job done, and he gave me a good price, and the quality is matching. I mean, it's matching the quality. I mean, the price isn't matching the quality, but the quality is worth the price. I mean, I don't even know how to say it, man. I'm so mixed up in the head right now trying to figure out what to say, but y'all get what I'm saying, man. Like, some people take pride in their work and you can see it, you know. But yeah, man, I ain't gonna tie you up, man. Just ending out this vlog. It'll be a very short vlog, man. Just want to show y'all that we got the Benzo Lorenzo, the Silver Surfer, the Bullet. Out there, I ain't got a name yet, man. I'm just freestyling right now, but yeah, man, we just trying to get that thing all the way right, man. And next on the list, we definitely gonna get some new wheels. Remove these tents. These tents are terrible. But yeah, man, we're gonna get to it. You know, slow. It's a slow grind, but eventually you'll get there. So for me, I don't know. I feel like an old man, but I'm in a young body, man. So I don't really rush to do nothing. I don't do nothing I don't like, or I don't entertain nothing I don't care about. So, you know what I mean? But in time, everything will come together. You know, but see y'all in the next vlog. Thanks for watching. And I'm going to try to be posting a lot more videos and try to be more consistent, man. I apologize, you know, family life, work life, you know. All right, peace. All right, guys. I couldn't end the video without showing y'all the car wiped down and cleaned up. and I actually removed the little covers. I don't know, I might have to like get this reupholstered, or I might try to paint it with some interior paint. This is black, so luckily I'll probably blend a lot better. See that side, I removed it too. So I'll probably get like some black interior paint. I was just trying to, I don't know, it's kind of what's bothering me. I'm having this brand new headliner with the stains on it. But I'm officially out now. Peace.